How to apply autofocus effect on any image in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can apply the autofocus effects on any image in your Canva application. So the autofocus effect works usually like the effect that is given by a DSLR or any professional camera. So that basically refers to the blur effect. So let me show you how you can do this. So as here you can see, I have this Canva project open with me. And now the next thing that I'm gonna do is add a stock photo into this canvas. So in order to add a stock photo, what I will need to do is simply click onto the elements. And from here, I can choose any photo. As I have searched for cars, it is showing me the images of cars. So for example, let us choose this image right here. So as you can see, that the image has been successfully added into our canvas design right here. So now we will attempt to apply the autofocus effect onto this photo. So in order to apply the autofocus effect on any photo, simply click onto that photo and then you can see this bar appear at the top. Now from here, simply click onto the leftmost option that says edit. So simply click onto the edit button and these options will appear over the left hand side. Now the next thing that you need to do is simply scroll and you can see the effects option. Now from here you can simply scroll down and you can see this option that says autofocus. So simply click onto this autofocus option and from here you can see that it has identified the subject and the background, and from here you can choose to increase or decrease the blur intensity. So in case you want to increase the blur intensity, simply move this particular icon towards the right hand side and you can see that the blur is increasing of the background, and if you want to decrease it you can move it back towards the normal position or towards the left hand side. So if you want a complete blurred background you can simply move it towards the extreme right. But now let's assume that you don't want to blur the background or you want to change the position of the blur. So what you can do in order to change the position of the blur is use the second option or the second slider that says focus position. So currently the focus position is towards the background or towards the position 47, and if you can move it towards the right you can see this purple area which is currently representing the blur position. So for example, if you want to blur out the car, you can simply move it towards the right, and now here you can see that it is coming towards the car. So simply drop here and now you can see that the blur position has been changed and you can see some parts of the car that has been blurred out. So you can use this in order to blur out different portions of the image. So according to this, you can choose any of these area which are visible in this purple section in order to blur them out in your Canva design. So this is what we meant by the autofocus feature or the autofocus effect in your photos in Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.